Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a sold out beauty box to share with you. It's a Cult Beauty, the Go for Glow edit. And I wasn't expecting to receive this actually, because this box and the Set for Sun box was released about a week ago. I clicked next day delivery for this box. Evri said my parcel was damaged beyond repair, so I had to get in touch with Cult Beauty. By this point, this box had sold out and they'll refund me. I thought that was it until I had another email saying that they're sending me one out in the post and now they've taken money out of my account now. So it's fine, but I thought it was all done and dusted, but clearly not. But I'm happy that I got it anyway because it's a really, really good one, and it's no wonder it sold out super fast. So the Go for Glow edit, it cost £45, or it did cost £45, and it has a value of £245. The Set for Sun edit, which is still available on the Cult Beauty website, I'll pop a link to it down below in my description, that is selling for £40 and has a value of £175. If you use code CBWelcome15, you're able to get 10% off. So yeah, so let's open it up and show you what's inside. I've just filmed a really, really long video talking all about my Mounjaro journey. I've been on it for 7 months and a load of you have been asking me, have I lost weight? And yeah, I've lost nearly 2.5 stone in the last 7 months. And I've had lots of private messages asking about my experience with Mounjaro and all that. And I keep on saying, I will do a video, but it's so overwhelming because my story isn't just straightforward. Wanting to lose weight. I've got such a huge backstory. I've just filmed for an hour and a half and I'm thinking of scrapping it. I don't want to send you off to sleep. So I think I'm going to have to scrap it, refilm it all, but have like little chapters and timestamps so you're able to skip forward in case you don't want to hear all about my past history and all that stuff. If there's any particular questions you want to know, then yeah, please let me know. That might be really helpful actually to keep me sticking to the point. I was hoping to post that up soon, but I think it's going to take me a little while, or it could be like a 3-parter. Anyway, back to this box. Medicate. We've got Daily Radiance Vitamin C, Tetra Cream SPF 30. It's a 2-in-1 moisturiser, 50ml, and the main reason I went for this box, I blimmin' love Medicate. And I haven't tried this before, and the fact it's got vitamin C in there is bonus. So SPF 30 is a little bit on the lower side. I do like a factor 50 if possible. I've just put too much on there, haven't I? Blimmin' Nora. Oh, there's loads. Would you like my nails? I had them done today. I quite like pink. 30 is fine for now. It smells amazing. It smells of lemons. But yeah, feels really, really nice. So happy with that. And then another product which I really like as well. This is gorgeous. This is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. It's a tinted serum. Ultimate glow and brightening. It contains niacinamide, Centella asiatica and hyaluronic acid. And there's 40ml here. It is gorgeous. It is quite a shock when you apply it to your skin. But once you blend it all in, it is really nice. I should have done this first actually. I've got loads of moisturiser on there. Right, I'll do a little blob. Oh, see? It's supposed to be a little blob, but a load come out. See? See, it's a bit of a shock, isn't it? Let's rub some of that away. Okay. I'll just blend that in a little bit. But it does blend out nicely. This is what I'm trying to say. It gives you a hint of a tint. It's mixed in with the moisturiser now, but it gives you a hint of a tint. So it gives you a gorgeous glow, but obviously you've got skincare benefits then. I love the fact that it's got Centella asiatica in it because it's really great for redness and inflammation on the skin. So, which is what I've got. I'm sure I've got rosacea. Never had it diagnosed, but I think I have got it. You can apply it on its own or you can mix it with your foundation. So there's that. Then we've got a product I haven't tried before. We've got Dr. LEVY, Switzerland. This is Pigment Control Drop Supercharge Elixir Ultra Concentrate, and there's 30ml there. This serum retails for £110. It's a pre-serum formula formulated to reduce the appearance of pigmentation. The drops reduce the appearance of uneven skin tone and visibly brighten the complexion. Enriched with vitamin C and niacinamide, the serum delivers antioxidant protection and brightening benefits to the skin. Red seaweed extract works alongside tranexamic acid to visibly illuminate while minimizing the formation of new dark spots. The formula visibly fades imperfections in up to 6 weeks. You would use that, then you'd use that, then you'd use that, then you're dosed up on your vitamin C and brightening and niacinamide for your skin. Because I wear SPF on my face daily all throughout the year, and I've started using a lot of vitamin C over the last year or two as well in my skincare, I don't suffer from pigmentation anymore. I used to have like brown marks on my forehead and on my cheeks there, but I don't anymore. I don't want to give this away. It's £110. Maybe it'd just be nice to like give extra brightening to my skin. I'm going to try it anyway and see. So it's a pre-serum. We've got more vitamin C in the form of a facial oil by Sunday Riley. This is C.E.O. Glow, vitamin C and turmeric. And there is 10 mils there. This is a really nice oil. I'm quite fussy with facial oils, but this one is a nice one. It absorbs nicely into the skin. It doesn't leave a really sticky, tacky mess. It's just really nice. It's quite lightweight. Yeah, it's a nice one. And the fact it's got vitamin C in there. So there's that. Then we have got OUAI. This is a body cream in St. Barts. So it's a holiday, I can't remember now, is it like coconut and papaya and I don't know, what's the same? It just said whipped body cream, renews your skin with nourishing kapuaku, butter, hydrating coconut oil and skin conditioning squalene. They do amazing smelling products and their skincare products are really, really gorgeous as well. Yeah, pineapple and coconut. Just a really nice holiday smell. Pina colada. There we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Bum Bum Body Scrub, Charosa 62 fragrance. So it's a caffeine-rich guarana extract and crushed kapuaku seeds. What is kapuaku? It's in the St. Barts as well. The OUAI cream body scrub. Oh, it's just like pure sugar. Nice to get a bit of old tan off your body. And then lastly we've got Avène, and this is Intensive Skin Restorative Serum. Helps to restore the skin's moisture barrier. So the third serum of the box. And there's 10 mils there. Sensitive, delicate skin, dryness and associated feelings of discomfort, tightness and visible redness. Apply it in morning and evening. There. Full, it's about up to there. But yeah, you've got enough there to try. Helps to restore the skin's moisture barrier. And there you go. Those are all the products in, I keep forgetting it, the Go for Glow edit by Cult Beauty. It's out of stock. It was sold out super fast, but then obviously a few must have come back in stock for them to have sent this one out to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry it was a little bit scatty, a little bit all over the place. I've been talking non-stop for a couple of hours. I need to go and chill now. But yeah, let me know if you've bought this box, what you think of the products, or if you're gutted you missed out on it. I'd love to hear, so please comment. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.